Hi, welcome to our SEIIV BTG V2/2 identifying AORs and AOSs. AOS, abbreviated for Area of Support, is a price level where market has historically found buying interest, preventing the price from falling further. It acts as a floor, causing buyers momentum to gain market faith. These areas of support can be considered as high potential turnaround points. AORs are the opposite of AOSs, which are high resistance turnaround points. Resistance is a price level where market may face more selling pressure, causing it to reverse downward. It acts as a ceiling, causing sellers momentum to gain the advantage. To identify AOSs and AORs, analyze and annotate peaks on the time charts where market has high potential turnaround price action. In this, the peaks represent major support and resistance levels that will in turn give feedback to traders about the livelihood of markets and give situational awareness about the current situation of market to traders.